my name is Nabila Aulia Belkis and
Salma Radiarti.
we are discuss about company structure.
Company structure. The organizational structure of a company can be interpreted as a multi-level line which contains the components that make up the company. The structure will clearly describe the position, function, rank, and obligation of its position within the scope of the company. Of course, this is intended so that every component in the company can function optimally, and the wheels of the company can always move effectively and efficiently. In this company structure, there are several personnel or sections belonging to the core range of the company structure, or what is commonly referred to as company official, which consists of the board of directors, main director, vice president director, and director, managers, and head of division of departments. And underneath the ranks are the staff and the workers. Broadly speaking, the company's organizational structure includes 5 types of structure, namely 1. Functional organizational structure, namely the organizational structure based on the function of its component. In a company, there are at least 5 main divisions, namely the production division, product maker section, the marketing division, the promotion, marketing, and sales division, the personnel division, the employment section, the shopping division, and the general division. And number 2, business organization structure, namely the organizational structure of a company which is based on the existence of product development effort and business research so that the company components become broader. Number 3, metric organizational structure, namely the organizational structure that was named from work on various projects being developed by the company. The structure is headed by main director, and under it are project manager, who are in charge and responsible for completing their respective project. Number 5, project organizational structure, a structure that is formed only to work on a work project at a company and will be removed when the project has been success complete. And the last, work team organizational structure, namely an organizational structure that is created from time to time or temporal in order to handle a project that is unexpected or sudden. Usually, this team is composed by reliable personnel or HR who are guaranteed to be able to complete projects and problems quickly and well.
That's an overview of an example of a company organizational structure. Although basically every company currently has different organizational structure depending on the condition and needs of each. Duties and function of each position in the company organization. Of course, each position in the company organizational structure has its own duties and function, which become known as a job desk. Number 1, Board of Directors. In general, this board of directors consists of the president director, vice president director, and board of directors. This group is in full control of the direction, vision, and mission and development of a company. They are responsible for managing the company in accordance with the articles of association that have been established together. The board of directors is also in charge or determine policies to be implemented by all components of the company. In detail, the duties of the board of directors can be sorted based on the duties of each position, namely President Director duties. The main director, President Director, has the duty to coordinate in the area of financial administration, staffing and secretarial affairs. In the financial sector, the President Director has the authority to control finances, from income, the result of collection of accounts, expenditures, to planning to develop the company revenue source. The Managing Director is also in charge of chairing the entire executive board or committee, as well as chairing general meetings, in order to ensure the implementation of order, enforce action and police, and ensure that opportunity and justice are properly and appropriately distributed. In addition, the President Director also has a duty to build good relationship and communication with the outside world, given its role as a company representative in relation to other companies, the government, and society in general. Director. A director is in charge of managing its manager under him, which includes activity procedure, objectivities and mission, operational policy, as well as supervision and control of manager and their responsibility. The director also has the authority to make appointments, transfer, and dismissals of employees. The position of director is also divided into several sections, namely the position of Director of Finance and Director of Personnel. Finance Director is a position in a company that is determined by the approval of the Board of Directors, with the main task as supervisor of financial operation and is responsible for all corporate financial affairs. Meanwhile, the Director of Personnel is a leader who is responsible for manpower and human resource matters. The authority of the owner of this position is to carry out the planning and control system related to personnel administration and personnel affairs. Number 2, manager. In general, a manager has a duty to organize, supervise, and control the managerial field in his or her field. Usually, in a company there are several managers, such as personnel manager, marketing manager, operational manager, IT manager, general manager, and so on, depending on the needs of the company. This manager, in general, have the duty to provide direction, supervision, job design, and assessment. A manager also has the authority to select, train, develop, and control all employees in the field he or she is working on. Meanwhile, specifically, each manager also has duties and functions in their respective fields.
For example, a marketing or marketing manager is tasked with handling matters relating to the promotion and sale of company products or service. The marketing manager also has the right to establish all operational procedure related to all matter in that field and will be held accountable periodically to the director for production affairs. This section is led by a product manager or factory manager. Number 3. Head of division of department. The last position in the position structure in the company is the head of the division or department, who is responsible for overseeing their respective duties. There are several divisions in a company, including the public relations division, research and development, marketing, personnel, quality testing, and other divisions. This division head is in charge of staff, employees, and workers directly. In the case of a company that has many branches in the region, there is usually a regional division as well. The head of this division has the duty and responsibility of carrying out all the policies, procedures, and rules set by the central company. Thank you for watching.